Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Acura TL brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and your new brake pads. Next, safely lift your vehicle using the jack and remove the wheel. Always ensure your car is securely supported on jack stands before you begin any work for your safety. Now, let's remove the old pads. Locate and loosen the two caliper guide pin bolts, usually 12 or 14 millimeters. Gently remove the caliper and hang it with a wire or bungee cord to avoid stressing the brake line. Then, simply slide the worn brake pads out of the caliper bracket. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. Use a C-clamp or a specialized piston tool to compress the caliper piston fully. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Carefully install your new brake pads into the caliper bracket, then reinstall the caliper and tighten the guide pin bolts securely. Finally, reattach the wheel and carefully lower your vehicle to the ground. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston. Always perform a low-speed test drive in a safe area to ensure your new brakes are functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.